Hey guys, I'm coming at you with another video from my 2019 bullet journal. This spread is my birthdays and holidays spread, except it's really just my birthday spread because I don't really observe all those one-off holidays unless my husband gets them off. Anyway, this is also a different looking spread for me. My last bullet journal, I actually just did boxes. This time I'm doing things a little bit differently. It's still going to be horizontal instead of vertical. And it's kind of similar to my looking ahead spread, except I've condensed all 12 onto 2 pages. I don't really need that much space for birthdays. I'm also only doing our immediate families, so like our parents and our siblings, because if I extend it too far, it's just a lot. I'm also not putting any of my friends' birthdays in here, as typically I get notified on Facebook about that. I probably don't even need this spread, but I still like to have all of the birthdays written down somewhere. So, without explaining myself too much more, basically I'm just measuring equal amounts for each square. I'm not putting in the calendar again. I'm just going to write the numbered for the month, and then I'm also writing the abbreviated month underneath, and then I'll just write in the day to the right and the person's birthday. That's it. Super simple. I'm also adding some happy planner stickers to this to add a bit more to it, since I don't want to spend a ton of time doing stuff freehand. Like I mentioned in my previous videos, I'm really trying to save my time here. So I hope you enjoy. Chill out to this awesome music. Finishes up my birthday spread. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment below when your birthday is. Hit like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.